I'd like to make a couple points in this short video. I am not a user experience expert by any means,
You stupid. No, not. What's 9 plus 10? 21.
but I do have a lot of years of breaking software. It's something that I've always liked to do, and I seem to have a knack for it. And so when I'm designing a project, if I have my way, I do not let the users just explore the space.
I mean, really, yeah. Explore the space.
That sort of thing, in my humble opinion, just gets you in trouble. So that's why I have disabled these until the user, so the user can click any of these, but they're not going to do anything. It is only when the user clicks freeze
I do not know.
that these are enabled and these are disabled. Now the user can unfreeze, and then these become disabled, and those become enabled, which don't do anything. Now I did say I had 2 points. So if we take a look at this flow that I came up with that has to do with when the command buttons are enabled and when the phrase buttons are enabled, and whether the application is listening for just phrases or for commands. This I easily missed something. And so even though I came up with it, it's just a template, it's a starting point, and I did give it to Gemini. It's probably going to forget some of it, I'm sure, to help me start the code, but I want to do it only in phases. So I asked Gemini, give me some commands that I can run in the DevTools console at different parts, like just starting it up or after saying something and hitting the freeze button and watching these other buttons enable. Give me things that I can look at to verify that this application is in the correct state. And I will keep doing that as we progress with the development and the testing.